Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll walk you through creating your first project and building a simple app from scratch. So, let's get started. First, once you open Nooku, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, click the New Project button and select Start from Scratch. Here, you can give your project a name. I'll call mine My App. Next, choose the location where you want the app files to be saved. I'll select Documents for now and then hit Create. Once your project is created, you'll be redirected to the editor. Here, the first thing you need to do is install the Node modules. Give it a moment, and soon the editor will load. Now, we're ready to build our first application. Here's our basic landing page. I'll start by clearing everything out. We'll add a new heading, or H1, and a button below it. Right now, it looks a bit off, so let's make it vertical and centered for a cleaner layout. In the heading, I'll add some text, and we'll set up the button functionality to increase a counter. To do this, first, let's create a variable called count and set it to 0. Now we'll render the count inside our app by binding it to this new text element. If we set it to 100, you'll see it updates immediately. But let's keep it at 0 for now. When this button is clicked, I want the count value to increase by 1. I'll set that up by going to the Events section and selecting the click event. Here, we'll set the variable count to its current value plus 1, so it increments each time the button is clicked. Let's preview it. When I click the button, you'll see the counter updates as expected. Now let's add another button for decrement. We'll set this button's logic to decrease the count by 1 each time it's pressed. And that's it. You've just built your first Nooku project with a working counter button. No code needed. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. See you in the next video.